should be Chroma High Swing. Yeah. Bro, why does my hitbox hate me so much? Hitbox, why do you hate me? Why are you not Sigma? I just ate your whole entire family. Okay. I'm not sure if they heard me. Oh my god, bro. Oh. Oh yeah, I can't say.
You better not eat all the food.
You hearing this too?
You're trash. Get that egg.
I duped her. I was actually murdered.
We have more food than them monks combined. Watch this, Kaden. I forgot I could do this.
You did not see that. Oh my god, Mom, come here.
Hey, babe.
No, what is it? What is it, Anya? What is it? What is it? Hi, Anya. Hi. You're so stupid.
What did you I'm leaving. Guys, don't talk in my video because I'm making a video. Guys, no. Are you still dead? Stop. Oh no. Alright, so I'm making a video. MM2. Shut up. Hi guys, so I'm gonna make
I'm not promoting them.
Hi cousin. Hi Nene. Hi Nene. Hi.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
How you doing? Okay, guys. I'm making a video, Nene. So you're in the video. Same. Bro, leave, bro. Just look at ugly Justin.
Oh my god, is that real, Justin? Oh my god, Justin. No. Justin, can I be in a video? Hey, why'd you push me out? Pink bubblegum pink. Whatever.
That's my friend. Girl, this better. Oh, I love your outfit. I love your outfit. You're welcome. I just my friend just left the game real quick. She's really not know this. And one of my friends just unfriended me. And I'm not oh. Yeah, oh, she back. She joined. She joined. She back. Where'd she go?
Hey. I don't even know if you're gonna listen to this.
What was that?
Or if I'm even gonna hit send.
What was that?
But I'm sitting here
No,
looking
I
at the city from the 40th
I
floor.
just heard a sorry. Hold up. No, no, she's the killer. She's the killer. Killer.
Babe,
I'm not happy right now. I'm not happy right now. I just got killed. What?
I got a rainbow.
Oh, made a new friend. She's over here. I want to meet you to my new friend. My friend. Come here. Come on.
I'm singing my
Right.
songs.
Come here. Come follow me. This is my friend. I know you think it's a boy, but it's actually a girl. It's actually a girl. This is actually a girl. It's actually a girl.
I got a teddy bear weapon.
Hey, come here. I'm gonna tell you something. Bye. What you doing? What you doing?